Spooky Lou, 6:55 p.m. Look at all this stuff I put on my back and brought up here. We're doing it. It's happening. I've never been camping by myself in my life. This tent is way too big for just me, but it's what I bought. So here we go. Carrying all that stuff up the hill. Oh my goodness. I did it. No campfire because I'm not too sure about the legality of what's going on here. So we're going to play it as safe as possible. We're pretty far from civilization. Nice 20-minute hike uphill. If something happens, I can roll into town, get something to eat. I'm stocked up. I'll show you. We got some fine dining this evening. I promise you that. So yeah, Spooky Lou's making a solo camping video. Let's see what happens. I'm excited, man. I just tell you what happened. This morning, cats woke me up, the dogs woke me up, Amy's cousin came over, they even went out on the porch and talked, and my walls are so thin, I still heard them, so, like, damn. I thought to myself, I said, man, the only way I'm going to get some sleep is if I go up in the woods. So let's see how. There's those church bells. I'm excited. This is the place, I think in the first video, second video, the campfire pit's behind the tent there. Found it, and I've been coming up here and checking it out, and I think this is the place, this is the spot, so I'm excited. Let's see what happens tonight. Let's have some fun, think about things. I've been thinking while I was putting this up, man, it's just me for once. It's crazy. Like, my whole identity for the past 20 years has been my family, and that's not a complaint. I'm super proud of the family I built and how close we are. This is my chance to get out, just be me and me one-on-one. It's so hot, I didn't even wear my new hiking pants that Amy got me for Father's Day. I wore shorts, already got a cut on my leg. But the survival kit came with the first aid kit, so I get to use that. How exciting. See what happens, man. I hope we see some animals. I hope we have a good time. Me and you, just me and you. Here's the other side of things. I think it's about 7:30 right now, sun will be going down soon. Yeah, man, it's quite a hike up here. We're on top of the world. On top of the world, baby. I'm excited. You can keep on going up that pass, get to the reservoir. We'll go up there one day. If you want to check it out, check out the first video. This is the first official adventure, though, man. Like, we're out here tonight. Little path over there, it goes somewhere. But yeah, this is a nice spot, man. It's nice and cleared out. I think we're going to be in good shape. There's the fire pit I was telling you about. We'll clean that up one day if if we think we can get away with it and come back up here. We ain't going to leave no litter. We're not going to trash the place. We're going to treat nature with respect and have a good time. Look at these beautiful ferns, man. And this is the path I walk up to get here. And as I was walking, it's still happening, this one singular fern was waving to me. Call me crazy, call me weird, but I think that's a good sign. It's still doing it. Look at that. I was walking up the hill and I said, what the hell? Still doing it. Appreciate you welcoming me, fern. Look at all these ferns, bro. Big tree. I think they've accepted me. Are we good, fern? Is that a no? Uh-oh. I don't know, man. Like I say, when I was walking up that trail and that one fern's waving at me, like, come on, here's the spot. Because right there, right at the top's the spot. I think we're welcome. I think it's going to be a good night. See what I mean? I'm about it. Okay. So how did we get here? How did we get to the point where Spooky Lou's in the woods by himself making videos? That's a great question. Let me explain myself. About a month, a little over a month ago, Marcus Twist mentioned he wanted to go find some morels. Man, I said, I do too. I haven't had those in a minute. So I hit the woods looking. Took me a few days, but I eventually found them. I found them and I kept coming in the woods. And man, when I was younger, I was always in the woods camping, doing different things with my buddies. We even had a woods death match, okay? I've got the VHS, we can get that on the channel. And to the new folks, I've been in the wrestling business for 3 years. It's been non-stop editing on the road, just every day, wrestling. But that stopped as of October, and we get out in the woods, and man, it gave me that feeling like wrestling does. It really did, maybe even more. And I've been coming out, getting in better shape, been hiking, walking different trails, and I've been watching YouTube videos, different folks on YouTube doing solo camping, stealth camping. Just looked like a lot of fun, and the YouTube check hit, and I said I gotta do it. So I bought a tent, sleeping bag, sleeping pad, survival kit, the whole nine, and here we are, man, here we are. And thought come up here tonight, clear my mind. This week is a big week for me. Got a couple things coming up. One thing is I think I'm gonna hit my last wrestling show. One last wrestling show, go film PWL Mercer Mall this Saturday. Love that crew, can't wait to get up there. And as soon as I said I was stepping away from wrestling, man, the offers that came in, the messages of encouragement, the advice, so many good people out there I've met, man. And it made me second guess things. There was a lot of great advice, a lot to think about tonight before I head up there for what may be my final show. Because I'm enjoying this, man. I can come out here and no stress. The squirrels ain't gonna bitch if I do something wrong or not to their liking and don't show them respect or whatever it may be. Me and the squirrels and the deer, we get along just fine. We leave each other alone and we're cool. So yeah, we got some thinking to do tonight. So we'll ponder, we'll talk, we'll think, we'll see what happens, man. Note to self, just buy a hammock, bro. Look at that, right there. Yo, why don't you have any limbs, bro? What kind of tree are you? Look at that. What the? Alright, it's about 8:30. I promised great food. Well, we don't have a campfire. We're not cooking. I refuse to get a camping stove. If I'm going to cook, it's going to be over a campfire. So, Sweet Baby Ray's, Bridgeford. That good stuff. Went ahead and got chicken salad and tuna salad. This one's got the everything bagel seasoning. It's really good. A couple Rice Krispie treats. In case I get too hungry, I'll just sip on this beefaroni. I don't have a spoon. Cup of fruit. Oh hell, I brought an energy shot. Cool. And trying to keep it healthy. V8 energy. These things are banging. I'm gonna sit here and eat while the sun goes down. Trigger some critters. I didn't bring no bug spray either. Nah, man. We're just raw as hell out here. Raw as hell. No campfire. With nature. I think we're on good terms. We've been chilling. We've been understanding each other. I'm gonna eat. Just finished dinner. I promise you, that beef jerky, chicken salad, mixed fruit, that hit. I mowed the lawn, carried all this crap up here. That was delicious. The sun's going down. The critters are coming out. I just watched a huge squirrel come down that tree. It's 9 o'clock. Gonna get dark. Now we're gonna have some fun. very strange noise coming at me, folks. Wait till you hear it. It ain't normal. Oh shit, something just dived on me. Okay, we're living now. Oh boy. Yeah, man, real crazy noise over yonder. It either sounded like metal being drug or something coughing, like a combination. So, my best guess is a deer. My best hope's a deer. Yeah, it's dark. Let the games begin, I guess. It was weird, dude. I wish I would have caught it. I'm guessing it was a deer. Okay, so it's getting later. I stepped out for a smoke. Let's turn on the headlamp a little brighter. There we go. Yeah, man, I can't stay in the tent. I keep hearing shit walking like deer. I want to see them. I ain't scared. I just want to get some footage, make it a cool video. So I stepped out, see what's going on. Don't think about Blair Witch. Don't think about Blair Witch. It's just me, man. Me and you. Something over there. You hear it? You see it? I don't know. I'm gonna smoke this cigarette. I think I'm gonna watch some ECW. Watching some ECW. Had to turn on a couple lights. Got the lantern and this light so you can see me. It's dark. It's dark. No campfire. It's dark. Sounds like they're throwing nuts at the... It really does. I think the squirrels are throwing nuts at the damn tent. We're having a good time. New Jack. Love you, New Jack. Watching House Party 98, by the way. They're all flying at my headlamp. Is this a cockroach, bro? I think it is. I got a cockroach on my nice tent. Come on, man. Can you go somewhere else, please? There's garbage over there. The garbage bag's over here, bro. Just please. This is my new friend Winford. He really wants in. Check it out. His eyes glow. He ain't scared of me a bit. He said, let me in. I told him go up so I can get in. Oh, there he goes. Dude, I hope the camera picks that up. I've never seen that. I'm trying to get it, but I've never seen it where their eyes reflect like that. It's pretty badass. It's not picking it up, but to my eye, they're reflecting. Alright, Winford. Alright, buddy. But you can't come in. I'm sorry. You'll keep me up all night, and the mission is to sleep tonight, okay? Play with your friends outside. You can watch Stairway to Hell through the window, I promise. Tell the mosquitoes to chill. And the cock. I hear your ass. I'm coming out, as a matter of fact. I ain't even playing. As soon as I opened up the tent to come out, Winford got in. Winford's in there now. But alright, I'm cool with you, Winford, but your buddies can't come. We're gonna have smoke, see what the hell's out here. Alright, you ready? I'm gonna turn this bad boy on. Nothing, my ass. Like I said, it has been active. And I'm about it. That was a loud one, folks. Ow! They did get me with one. Gotta say, it's pretty sweet. I'm glad I got to come up here just by myself, me and nature. Listen to them messing with me. I love it. It's been cool. It's really been cool. As far as the channel, don't worry. We got plenty with nature, be it my homies, the critters. So, yeah, let's get some folks out here with me and really have some fun. Hit up some different spots, Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm trying to make a camping video. I'll do a fire next time, I promise. Oh, now you can't kind of see it. Sure hope that's the moon. I think it is. Let's hope, because it's bright and it's in the sky and it's chilling right there. You get out here, you get to thinking, your imagination will get you. Just me and Winford. He was flying around showing off. Come on, Winford. Show him what you got. There he goes. Yeah, that's Winford. Classic Winford. All I can say is I hope that was a deer, because whatever it was loud. I think I caught a little bit of it, but holy shit. Like, for real. It's what I heard earlier, too. I'm your buddy. I didn't even get my garbage out of the tin. I gotta do that. Yikes. So check it out. Like, I'm looking at the ground while I'm walking and I see these sparkles. I don't know if you see them on the camera. They're spider eyes. They're spiders looking at me. It's freaking wild out here, man. Watching some 80s wrestling movie called Bad Guys, about two cops, and I started hearing this crazy ass noise. So I came out to investigate and kind of let them know, hey, I'm out here. Quit that. Kind of scaring me a little bit. So now that I know these sparkles I'm seeing are spiders, they're everywhere. Like, literally everywhere. Good thing I'm not afraid of spiders. There's something big. Just another spider. Huge spider. Well, that's a pretty big one. I don't know if you can see all these sparkles, but I promise you there's spiders everywhere. I'm being tested tonight. I'm going to bed, man. I've never seen so many spiders in my life. I promise you, I look everywhere and just sparkles. Why'd that go out? But there's just sparkles everywhere. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but they're all just set up looking at me, ready to jump, ready to pounce. I told them I'm cool. I'm going to go to bed, turn my noise off, let them enjoy their forest. Dude, literally, there's sparkles everywhere. And when I look, it's spiders. It's their eyes. It's crazy. One last smoke break. I'm calling it a night. I know I will always wear my hiking pants after this. The little eyes are everywhere. Just know there are spiders everywhere in the forest. Know that. If we learned anything, there's spiders everywhere. And there's something. There's something out here. I'll keep you posted, or I'm going to bed. Stay tuned. Check this out. I even have a snail buddy. He was out, but I moved the leaf and it kind of scared him. He's chilling. That's Monongah. Yeah. Ooh, he's blue. Look at him. Good old Monongah. Good night, Monongah. Hope you have a good night. I'm being challenged. Whew. It's gotta be a deer. Gotta be a deer. Say it again. Damn it, I wish I would have got that, because it sounds scary as hell. Oh, yeah. That's sending shivers down my spine. It's like 5 times it's happened now. I'm your friend. But I've got an axe. What is it, buddy? It's okay. It's still doing it. I'm trying to talk it. There it is. What is it? It's okay. I'm your friend. I'm going to bed. "99% sure it's a deer with that 1%, man. It gets the old imagination going. Got my axe under my arm. I gotta know what it is. Oh, yeah, okay, okay. Maybe I don't need to know what it is. Yeah, okay, you win. I've got chills. I'm not confident in my ability to run out of these woods tonight. Okay, you're going that way? Awesome, sweet. I think we're good. Well, asshole's back. I was almost asleep. He's even louder than before. Sounds like a screaming man. Told him I was his friend. Whew. What? Isn't that ridiculous? So let me go sleep, jerk. Hey, what? I need a cigarette now, man. I was almost asleep. Whatever it is, it don't like me being here, and it's not gonna let me sleep. Like, I almost fell asleep again, and it was even closer. Yeah. Man. I really hope you're a deer. So yeah, my quest for a good night's sleep continues. This deer is pissed and he ain't leaving his territory. Where you at now? Huh? Give me a snort. It's 2:06. Buck Snort's still doing his thing. Anytime I start to doze off, he starts tripping out. So here we are, smoking another cigarette. Spooky Lou, all tired and delirious in the woods in the middle of the night. Hoo hoo. It's a good time. Can't see shit. It's only 8 o'clock. Come on, buddy. No. We survived. Here we are. Good morning, Monongah. There's a deer or something up there walking though. I saw it. Alright, I'm up. Crow said, get up. So, yeah, quite the interesting night. It was fun. It was fun. We're gonna pack up. I learned my lesson yesterday. We're gonna make 2 trips. I don't care if I gotta go up and down this hill because my back hurts. It was too much for one loo yesterday. Appreciate you watching all the way through. It's been an adventure. Let's get home and see the wife and kids. Ugh.